Welcome, David. Welcome to this beautiful space. My heart is just bursting with joy because today we are going to explore one of the most magical, most soul-stirring words in the entire English language.
Oh, Emily, I have been looking forward to this all morning. I can feel the energy in the air. Please tell me, what is this wonderful word we are diving into?
It is the word wood. Just listen to the sound of it. Wood. It is soft, it is elegant, and it opens doors to worlds that haven't even happened yet.
Wood. It sounds so gentle, but I must admit, Emily, sometimes it feels a bit mysterious to me. How do we use it to truly express ourselves?
Encouragingly. That is a magnificent question. Think of wood as a velvet glove. We use it first for the magic of kindness. Instead of saying, I want coffee, which is so sharp, we say, I would like a coffee. Can you feel the difference?
Oh, I do. It's like instead of pushing a door open, I am gracefully asking for it to be opened for me. It feels much more respectful.
Precisely. You are a natural. It turns a demand into a beautiful invitation. Imagine you are at a grand dinner party. You might ask, would you please pass the salt? It creates a melody of politeness.
That is incredible. But Emily, I also hear people use wood when they are dreaming, like, if I had a boat, I would sail the world. Is that the same wood?
Oh, David, you have touched upon the very soul of the word. Yes, this is the wood of imagination. We use it to paint pictures of things that aren't real yet. It is the language of dreamers.
Inspired. So if I say, if I were a bird, I would fly to the highest mountain, I am using wood to build a bridge to my imagination?
Yes, 1,000 times yes. Dramatic pause. You are not just speaking grammar, you are composing poetry. When we use if and would together, we are exploring the what-ifs of the universe.
I would fly. It makes me feel so free. But wait, Emily, I remember my grandmother once said, when I was a little girl, I would sit by the fire for hours. She wasn't dreaming, she was remembering.
Oh, David, that is a stunning observation. You have found the wood of nostalgia. We use it to talk about beautiful habits in the past. It's like looking at an old golden photograph.
With wonder. So wood can travel through time? It can go to the future of our dreams and the golden days of our past?
It truly can. When we say, I would sit by the fire, it means it happened many, many times. It carries the weight of a lovely memory. It's much more romantic than just saying, I sat.
Enthusiastically. It's just breathtaking. Wood is like a multicolored ribbon that ties our heart to our words.
It is. And David, never forget the wood of possibility. When we say, that would be lovely, or that would be wonderful, we are throwing our hearts into the future with hope.
I see. So if you invited me to a concert, I could say, oh, Emily, that would be amazing, because I am imagining how happy I will be.
Beaming with pride. You have mastered it. I am so incredibly proud of you. You are not just learning English, you are learning how to dance with the language.
With deep gratitude. Thank you, Emily. You make these words feel like friends. I used to be afraid of making mistakes, but now I just want to dream and remember using wood.
Warmly and firmly. Never be afraid, David. Your voice is a gift. Every time you use wood, you are adding a little more kindness and a little more magic to the world.
With a big smile, I can't wait to go out and use it. I would love to practice every single day.
Dramatically. And I would be the happiest teacher in the world to hear you do it. Go forth, David. Dream big, remember well, and always speak from your heart. Oh, hello there, David, and a massive, warm welcome to everyone joining us today. Can you feel the magic in the air? Today, we are diving into one of the most beautiful and versatile words in the entire English language.
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting for this all week. My heart is actually racing because I know we are talking about the word wood. It feels like such a sophisticated word, doesn't it?
It is more than just sophisticated, David. It is a magic key. The word would opens doors to kindness, to dreams, and to the golden memories of our past. It is the secret ingredient to sounding truly graceful.
A magic key. I love that. I often hear people use it to be polite, like, would you like some tea? It sounds so much softer than saying, do you want tea?
Exactly. Spot on, David. You hit the nail on the head. When we use would for requests or offers, we are wrapping our words in a warm velvet blanket. It shows the person we are talking to that we respect them deeply.
That is just incredible. It's like the word itself has a heart. But Emily, I also see would used when people are dreaming. Can you tell me more about that?
Oh, David, the land of dreams. This is where would truly shines. We use it to imagine things that aren't happening right now. For example, if I had $1 million, I would build a school for every child in the world.
Oh, that reminds me of a thought I had this morning. I was thinking, if I could speak every language perfectly, I would travel to every single corner of the earth to listen to people's stories.
David, that is a magnificent sentence, truly beautiful. You used the hypothetical would perfectly. You are imagining a reality that is grand and wonderful. Can you imagine the possibilities?
Intrigued and leaning in. It feels so powerful to speak like that. But wait, Emily, what about when people talk about the past? I heard my grandmother say, when I was a little girl, we would walk to the river every Sunday.
Softly and warmly. Ah, the nostalgia. In that context, would is used to describe a beautiful habit from the past. It's like a movie playing in your mind. It means you did it many times, and it was a special part of your life.
With a soft, nostalgic smile. So it's not just for if situations, it's for real things that used to happen. Like, when I lived in the mountains, I would watch the sunrise every single morning.
Clapping her hands with delight. Yes, yes, 1,000 times yes. You are mastering the soul of this word, David. You're not just learning grammar, you are learning how to share your life's story with emotion.
With newfound confidence, I feel so much more connected to the language now. Would isn't just a rule in a book. It's a way to be kind, a way to dream, and a way to remember.
With intense passion and encouragement. That is the spirit, David. My dear learners, never be afraid of this word. Use it to be gentle. Use it to wonder. Use it to look back at your life with love. You are doing a spectacular job. Enthusiastically. Thank you, Emily. Your energy is so contagious. I feel like I would love to stay here and talk about English for the rest of the day. And I would be the happiest teacher in the world if you did. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and remember, every time you use would, you are adding a little more beauty to the world.